to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Sussex and Warren, and Monroe, Pennsylvania. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 3 p.m. At 1:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Connecticut, or 10 miles east of Mount Pocono, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bushkill, Demons Ferry, and Calumet. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following county, Pike, Pennsylvania.